Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Salima and this is my kitchen. Today we are making arroz con gandules, which is a super popular Puerto Rican dish known all around the world. This one pot recipe comes together in under 30 minutes. Not to mention, it's a super affordable meal that I love to pull out when I don't want to break the bank, but I still want something super satisfying. This is actually one of the very first Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to make with my mom, so it's very special to me. So this dish is really great if you are just beginning to learn how to cook Puerto Rican cuisine, but you will need a few special ingredients that are staples to Puerto Rican cuisine, like achiote oil, sofrito, sazon, and adobo. Now, if you don't have those ingredients, don't worry. They're super easy to find either online or in grocery stores, or you can make them from scratch. I've got some recipes I'll link below. So if all of that sounds good to you, grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. So we're starting with our achiote oil, and this is a beautiful oil we use in a lot of different recipes that adds color and a little bit of flavor. But if you don't have it, you can also substitute this with just an olive oil or your cooking oil of choice. We're going to heat this in our pan over medium heat and add our sofrito. Now, because sofrito has all of these beautiful alliums like garlic and onions, as well as cilantro and peppers, we're going to continue to cook that until it becomes fragrant. You should really be able to smell that garlic before we add in our gandules and the liquid that they come with. Many recipes will drain this liquid, but I don't think it's necessary. It adds a lot of great flavor. And in addition to that, we're adding our tomato puree and our sliced pimento olives, as well as our adobo seasoning and sazon. I'm also going to add all of our water at this point and bring everything to a boil. I like to give it a stir just to make sure all of those seasonings are evenly combined. And once it comes to a rapid boil, we're ready to add our rice. It's really important to rinse your rice, but then sometimes it gets stuck. So just make sure all of it makes it into the pot. And again, we're going to stir this really well and bring everything to a rapid boil before we cover and lower. We'll cook on low for about 15 to 20 minutes until our rice is fully cooked through. And from there, you're ready to fluff your rice and serve. All right, now that you guys know how easy it is to make this dish, we've got to dig in. One of the great things about this recipe is that you don't have to work to get everything in one bite. It's all perfectly combined. So good, every time. The gandules are so hearty and delicious. I love the bite that they have. I am obsessed with this ingredient. I feel like we need to use it more often. I just love this recipe. It's such a staple I grew up with. And if you ever get the chance to visit Puerto Rico, you will know just what I'm talking about. We serve this dish with everything. I hope you guys give this a try, and please, as always, let me know what you think in the comments below. Buen provecho, and I will catch you next time.